So readers, I'm going to model for you how we will annotate or mark up some text. So we're going to use these symbols. Again, we're going to use the circle for words that we don't know. We'll underline some keywords or details. We'll put a question mark by something we don't understand, an exclamation mark by something that surprised us or we found really interesting, a star where we can make a personal connection, and this little thought bubble, we can write any thoughts that we have in the margin or on the side of the text. So we are going to read a text here called Pumpkin Splash. And this caption says pumpkins, although large, aren't very dense because they are mainly hollow inside. Pumpkin Splash. Move this over. Do pumpkins really float? Believe it or not, pumpkins do in fact float. So readers, I did not know that. I'm going to take this exclamation mark and I'm going to put one right by that sentence because I didn't know pumpkins floated. It would not be surprising if you were to question why this happens. Pumpkins are large and heavy. You would naturally assume that a pumpkin thrown into water would sink like a rock. Think about it this way. Do you float? Are you heavier than a pumpkin? Well, I'm going to make a connection here because, yes, I have floated in the ocean or in the pool, and I certainly am heavier than a pumpkin. If you answered yes to both of those questions, you are correct. So what's the key to floating? To learn why we and pumpkins float, we need to take a closer look at the science behind it all.